Hello and welcome back to HardReset's Quick Godot. Today I'll show you how to install Godot itself. Let's begin! And we begin by entering site GodotEngine.org. Then click Download Latest. Now you have two choices. If you are interested in developing your Godot game in C#, you probably want to go with .NET version, but I'm going to click the typical Godot engine, which supports GDScript. Now, after you're done downloading the zip file, you want to simply go and extract it. I'm going to extract it into a folder, just like that. And inside that folder, we have two different files. We have the _console, which is mostly used for debugging purposes, and our typical .exe, which I'm going to click. Now you will probably see that Windows protected to your PC if you have the Defender SmartScreen turned on. All you want to do is hit More Info and run anyway. And yeah, that's all for the tutorial. Leave a comment, like the video, and good luck on your game dev journey.